I'm Allie from Live Case Break, and I'm doing a Topps Museum Collection 2016 for Trevor. Good luck.
There you go. A little easier. A little better angle for the light to reflect. Is all right off?
Huh? Yeah, other ones weren't labeled with names, the three. And I'll open one after this one. Alright, we have Trey Turner, Jose Bautista, come on, Chris Sal. No, Joe, I'm not going to feed into you. I'm sorry. Alright, we have Yasmani Grandal, LA Dodgers. 16 out of 35. And Madison Bumgarner. Tim is making sure I don't tap any cards. That's what he's doing tonight.
No card tapping.
Craig Kimbrell, Lorenzo Kane, Andrew McCutcheon, and 41 out of 99 primary pieces. We have, oh my goodness, these are some names. Abreu Samardzija,
Abreu and Samardzija. Not bad.
Sale Eaton.
There you go. You got the last two. I'm just cleaning stuff up in the office. Nothing serious.
Chris Bryant. Yeah, it was a pretty bad butchering. Thanks, guys. I know. Don't remind me. We can't all be perfect like you, Joe. You and your creeper van without the wheels. Kyle Seager. Jose Fernandez. Come on. Gregory Polanco. And David Wright. 17 out of 55.
Enjoy.
Signed. Very nice.
Is Coral coming down here, or what you doing?
And we have Canvas Collection. Chris Bryant. Wow. Me and the Chris Bryant cards tonight, I tell ya.
What is it? Oh, Canvas? Nice.
Yeah.
That's a cool card.
It's a pretty cool card. Alright, we have Zach Greinke. Butchered that one. Dylan Betances. Kenley Jansen. Ooh. 115 out of 299. Razel Iglesias. And Bryce Harper. Alright. So just in case you didn't get that, we have Razel Iglesias. Canvas Collection, Chris Bryant. David Wright. A 4-piece. I'm not going to read their names again. First time was bad enough. And Yasmani Grandal. Alright. Thank you, Trevor.